Welcome back everyone. So how you can install Windows 11 in VMware. Okay, so how we can do that, let's see. Okay, so first of all, open the VMware Workstation. Okay, now you can see I have already created one VM. Okay, so today we are going to create another Windows 11 VM. Okay, so another VM. Okay, so let's do it. Okay, first of all, you can see the home page. You can create from here, or also you can click new file and create new virtual machine. So I click the new virtual machine. Okay, when you click the new virtual machine, you can see the typical or custom. Okay, so go with typical. Okay, and click next. And here you can see there are lots of options. So I suggest I will install the operating system later. Click on this option. Okay, so click next. And now here we have to select our OS. It's by default selected by Windows 10, but you can select the Windows 11. Okay, so I select the Windows 11 64-bit. Okay, you can select other operating system if you want to install it. Okay, so click next. Okay, so this is the important thing, that what is the machine name and where you want to save it. Okay, where you want to establish this machine. Okay, so I give the location, custom location. Okay, so custom location, virtual Windows. Here I have to create another folder. Windows 11. Okay, I have created a Windows 11 folder in my location and click OK. And now you can see E drive. Okay, I have give the path to E drive. Okay, so click next. Okay, here you have to note something, that if you want to encrypt it. Okay, so I recommend that just go without encryption. Okay, so just click next. Okay, so it's a encryption password cannot be empty. Okay, so let's see. Okay, stick clear. I give the password. Okay, uh, okay, so I gave the password and click next. And now you can see the important part here. You have to store your virtual disk in a single file. Okay, so click on store virtual disk in single file, and disk space you can maximize and minimize if you want to. So I'll just leave it with a 64 GB. Okay, and click next. And now the customized hardware. Okay, click on customize hardware and you can see there are many things here. Okay, so you can customize your RAM. So I'll customize with 8 GB RAM. Okay, and also the processor you can customize with processor. I provide two processor and two number of processor. Or then we slide down a little bit. Here here you can see we have to provide the ISO file. ISO file, how you can download the Windows 11 ISO file. I have already created a video. Also I provide the link where you can download the ISO file, and also I provide the link in I button. Okay, so you can go and download the ISO file. If you do not have downloaded, I have already downloaded, so I browse the file. Okay, okay, this is my Windows 11 ISO file, and I open it and I provide the ISO file. And here, if you used with a net, okay, use the share host IP address. You should use the bridge. Okay, if you want to make this machine in your local network. Okay, so I click the bridge, and not now. I don't want to give the internet connection. Okay, currently I don't want to give the internet connection. When I want to, I will provide the internet connection. Just turn on. Okay, connect that power and turn on. Okay, so that's it for this hardware configuration. Okay, let's close. Okay, I'll finish it. Okay, now you can see we have created a virtual machine here, but we have to configure and turn on and install the Windows 11. So let's do it. Turn on the virtual machine. Press any key. Okay, so what is the what is the so what happened here? Actually, here we can see we have seen the message that you have to press any key in Windows keyboard. Okay, so you have to press any key at that moment where the booting are going to happen. Okay, so you have to press any key at that moment, and then you press the key, the boot will happen. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so we select the our other option. Okay, so now we can see the setup here. Okay, select the language, time, urgency. I go with default. Okay, so just next. Okay, I want to install Windows 11. Okay, so I agree with terms and conditions. Next. I do not have product key, so I don't have. Okay, select the operating system, Windows 11 Pro. Okay, I have selected the Windows 11 Pro. Whatever you want to select, you can select. Okay, so click next. Okay, so here we have lots of things. Just accept. Okay. Okay, now you can see my 64 bit 64 GB. Okay, my 64 GB disk space here that I have previously assigned. Okay, so just to select it and create partition, or you can direct click next. Okay, so I go with direct click next. Let's see. Okay, so it's ready to install. Okay, so just click on install. Okay. Okay, so this is the setup. Okay, so click next. You can select your country, and I'll just go with default. Okay, I select English India and next. Skip the layout. Okay, it's saying that I do not have internet. I do not possess the internet. Okay, and I say that I can go with the offline setup. Okay, so press Shift F10. Okay, press Shift F10 and enter here OODE bypass. OOBE bypass an arrow. And this will make it offline configuration. Okay, so enter it. Let's see what will happen. Okay, United States, English India, escape. Okay, you can see the option here now. I don't have internet, so click on I don't have internet, and now put the username. Okay, so I provide the username Raj. Okay, so username is Raj, and next I'll provide the password. Okay. Okay, it has 3 questions. So give the answer. Okay. Wait for the if you want to reset, you can. It will ask each question to you. Okay. Next, accept. Okay, so now you can see the internet is not working, but we have successfully installed our Windows 11. Okay, so it's really nice. Okay, so that's it for today. But before we go, I'll show you that how you can run your internet in your local network. Okay, so how we can do that? Okay, let me show you. So open your Windows 11 uh, VM. Okay, so in your workstation. Okay, so go to the settings. How you can go to the settings? Click on your VM and settings. Okay, also you can click here on your VM and go to settings. Okay, so click on settings. You can see here we have net. Okay, so it's currently not connected, so click on connected and connect at power on. Okay, and also this option is a bridge connected directly to your physical network. Okay, so we need this one to access the internet. Okay, because we don't want to create another network. I want to create this one. Okay, so click OK, and now you can see the internet is working. Okay, in your machine. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video. And thank you for being here. And if you like this video, please subscribe this channel and press the bell icon.